Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel.
It is so nice to see you here.
I've never done a YouTube channel before, so this is my first time, so bear with me. In this channel, I'm going to be talking about different types of shoes, from Jordans, Ewings, to Nikes, to LeBrons, and Vans, even Yeezys. In my videos, I'm going to be talking about how to clean shoes, the goods and the bads of different shoes, ways to make shoe cleaner, unboxing videos. I'm going to be highlighting new releases that are coming out in 2018. We're going to talk about things like how to tell if a shoe is real or fake, what to wear with certain types of shoes, and the best ways to lace up different types of shoes. Also, I'll be hosting some giveaways, which will include giving away some shoes, shoe cleaners, clothing, and different things like that. I'll also be highlighting some stores and websites that you can go on to find cheap shoes that are authentic. And on top of that, some of the shoes that I will be cleaning and reviewing in my channel will actually be for sale. So please like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any great content that I have coming. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys for the next one.